Hello friends, this is my first video on learning Java, which is an object-oriented language. So we will learn how to program in object-oriented programming using Java. Over here I am using Android Studio, the latest version, and the reason for using it because Android Studio comes with JDK kit installed, Java Development Kit. So we don't need to install separately like the other compilers for the Java. So in Android we already have a built-in Java compiler which can show the result on the fly. So let's get started. Here you can see this is an Android tree and I have opened this Android Studio latest version. So to create Java file in Android, what you need to do is an empty project over here which I have created by the name of Learn Java. But within that you need to create a file by the extension .java. So how to do it? Let's get started. Click on new file, new project, new module. So and on new module just scroll down and here you can see you can find Java library. Click next, and over here you can name it like learn underscore Java. The reason for using underscore in Androids are because Android paths are comprised of underscore. If you leave a space in your directory over in Windows or Mac, on creating the project window, it will show you that it will show a warning at the bottom of the screen that leaving lines can cause the program to disrupt and to terminate abnormally. So it's a safety. You can see you can put underscore, not dashes, underscore. Okay, so here you can see Java package name will be in words. Like if some of you knows how the app development like in Android or in iOS works, it is the inverse. The package name is the inverse of the actual file name. So it's com.example.learn_Java. You can also edit it and you can also rename it, but just leave it. My class is the entry point for Java. It's a Java class name. So like every Java program start with a class name. So you can name it by any class, but I leave it on my class. It is basically the entry point. Every Java program need a class, and the class contains the methods. So let's finish this up, and you can see the Android's working, doing its work. And over here you can see that if I go to learn Java underscore folder or the source or the main or Java, you can see my class over here. This is basically my class.java. This is where you can start programming your Java programs, and this is a built-in. This is the package over here, and this is the public class. Public class is basically you can name this any class. So whatever it is basically the entry point for Java programming. So let me zoom it a bit. You can zoom it by holding on. I am on Mac, like command plus sign, and on Windows it should be, I think, control. So let's get started. These brackets are the starting and the ending point of a class. So within this class we have to write our program. Every class of Java should have an entry point with a method. So what we do is over here it's PSVM. You can see over here is a short form of public static void main. If you click enter, here you go, it's public static void main. It is the main method for which every Java class starts with. If you compile a program, this program for any Java, the compiler will look for this main class which takes the strings and arguments, and further we will come to know. So these are the opening and closing curly brackets for the main method. Here you can start programming Java. Just I will go for the infamous print line which everybody use in every programming, like hello world. So in Java you can print on the console. Printing on the console means if I click on run, it will show a console over here which the errors or the compiling errors over here, and if there is no error it will show you the output which you require, right? So let's get system. You can also write system.out, but the short form is s out. You can see print a string of print a string. String is aligned like it takes string to system out. Press enter and you can see system out, system.out.println. Here you can write in inverted commas like hello world. Every Java programs terminate with a semicolon. If there is no semicolon, for instance, you can see the error over here, and still it analyze complete and one error found. So it will show you the error even on which line it is, and it will show you a hint also sometimes, and sometimes you have to dig it out by yourself that what's the error is, because one minor line error can cause multiple errors because they are all linked to each other. So here there is only one line, so the error dig out to be a semicolon. Here the compiler knows that this is the end of this line, so you need to print this line as this is the method system. These are all in my class system.out.println. Dot means that out is a method of is the subsidiary method of system, and println is the subset of out, and it will give you the result of hello world. So how to compile Java program? If I hover over this play button over here, you can see run my class .main or debug my class. So I will go for run my class, and over here you can see hello world print over here, right? This is the result. This is the console window. You can see it runs the class my class .main, like this my class dot the method main. So if I change it with a exclamation sign and then I run again, you can see exclamation sign over here. For the next line, for example, if I want to print another line, s out, enter, and like my name is Yasir. So that's it. Don't go over this. This is the spelling mistakes. Type in the word, so we'll give you a green. The red one is you have to worry about. So this can be continued, this can be compiled. So now if I compile, you can see on the second line it shows my name is Yasir. This is how you compile Java program. It's a basic hello world type Java starting point. So in the future videos we will dig out into variables, integers, doubles, floats, and the loops, the functions, everything what I come across and what I know about Java. So if you like this video, this is my starting video for Java classes. If I miss something, just let me know in your comments. Subscribe to my channel to give me support, and let me know that on which topic, on which programming language you need further videos. Thank you very much. Bye bye.